Hey, perfect timing, Naomi. You're all set up. There's your vest and there's your name tag. Are you ready for your first day to be an official park ranger? Yes, I can't wait. What's our first mission for today? Labeling gadgets. Oh, that's it? Yeah, Park Ranger Darren gets the water blasters mixed up with the sleepy dart blasters. No. Okay, let me just set this down. That's a cool volcano. Thanks. I'm trying to win first place at the science fair. Good luck. Oh, you have a message. Special delivery from the Dino database.
Welcome to T-Rex Ranch. You're officially a park ranger. How cool is that? Good luck protecting Part B. Call us if you need anything. And watch out for that T-Rex.
Wow, cool. Thanks.
Who's ready for some messy lava?
Oh my God! Thanks, Park Ranger Darren. I didn't know you need chips to make lava.
You don't. I was hungry. I wanted a snack.
I might know a way that I can help. There, now it's finished. Now you have potato chip dirt for decoration.
Perfect. Let's make some messy lava, but over there so we don't get it all over the floor.
I love floor lava. Me too. That one time, and now it stole your homework? Oh no, my science project!
Why would it want that?
She must be the jokester of the ranch.
Oh, the potato chips. They do kind of smell like dino treats.
I can't tell them a dino ate my homework. They'll never believe me.
We might have a bigger problem. I don't think pteranodons can digest soda. I heard Park Ranger Aaron say once it can make their stomach explode.
This is a disaster. We have to go before she eats it. Park Ranger Darren, could you hold down the fort for us while we're gone?
Sure, Park Ranger Naomi.
Park Ranger Asher, we're gonna need some extra gadgets for this. She's good.
Darn tootin'.
If I were a pteranodon, where would I be? She probably didn't know it was a science project. She probably thought it was a prehistoric cookie. Oh, I get an idea. We can use the Dino Listener so we can hear it and track her down. It's called Noise Enhancing Mega... Oh, you're right. Dino Listener is a better name. This sound locator is wirelessly connected to the Dino Listener, so we can find their exact location. Ooh, that's genius. I hear some munching. Or was that crunching? I got some chomping. This way, this way. I think we're close. The Brachiosaurus! Is that my science project?
it's just some leaves. I guess the pteranodon still has it.
Don't worry. I don't think the volcano has been eaten yet.
I don't want any dinos getting sick. You take the north sector, I'll take the south.
Good idea. We got this. Ah!
I knew I shouldn't install a tracking device into that volcano. Maybe the pteranodon realized it wasn't food and dropped it somewhere. Nothing. This is tricky. Maybe things are looking up. Park Ranger Asher, no volcano here. Any updates on your side?
Not yet, but I think I'm close. It looks like I'm within chomping radius of a very hungry dinosaur.
I hope it's not chomping too hard. Steal that snack. Save that poor dino.
I'm on it. I know snacking when I hear it.
Wait a minute. Is that Park Ranger Asher? And he's creeping up behind that tree. He must be close to a dino. Wait a minute. That's not a dino.
Gotcha! Ah! Park Ranger Darren, you're not a dino.
No, I'm a park ranger, although some kids call me a dinosaur, but I'm not that old.
What happened to holding the fort down?
I needed a snack break.
Ugh! Park Ranger Naomi, false alarm. I repeat, false alarm.
I saw the whole thing through my binoculars. Lava. Oh my gosh. There it is. Volcano alert. Park Rangers, meet me on the north side. Stat.
Copy that. We're heading over. Park Ranger Naomi, we're here.
I found the volcano. It's up there.
Hey, drop it, bird, and don't doo-doo on us.
Yeah, we have no dino treats here. No fish either.
Fish! That's it!
I know, I'm very smart. What's it?
Pteranodons, they like fish. I got an idea. You stay right here and guard that dino.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. The old lunchtime swap.
She's fast, but I haven't lost her yet. I hope Park Ranger Naomi comes back soon. I'm getting tired.
I'm getting tired watching you.
Oh, my fish. I was gonna cook that.
Do you mind donating your food today?
Of course not. Sharing is caring.
Good. This is like a typical lunch switch. I give her my lunch, she gives me hers.
I love it. But do you think she'll want to switch?
I think that's a yes.
Ah, best friends forever. Sorry.
Quick, throw it up! Park Ranger Darren, you have the strongest stone. Will you do the honors?
Of course, Park Ranger. Stand back. Ready? Wait for it. Heads up.
Yes!
Whew.
You got it!
It's fine.
All in a day's homework, which you two helped me with, so thank you.
Aw,
You're
shucks,
welcome.
anytime. Run! Get it, get it!
Mommy! findings into the Dino database, like this. Mission log 6-1. Keep unguarded food at least 100 feet away from all dinosaurs, especially potato chips and soda.
These are good. I can see why the pteranodon liked them.
Yeah, that's why they're one of my favorite snacks. But woo, it is hot. That's why I'm gonna cool off with this water blaster.
No!
Oh,
That's a sleepy dart blaster, not a water blaster. We didn't finish labeling them.
oh no, I can't feel my arm. I can't eat my snack. Here, just throw them at me.
You can use your other arm.
Oh yeah.
No.
This is way more fun.